Well, hello everybody. Hello internet. Hello world. Hello digital world. So I just found out that the iPhone connects directly to my Mac, so and I can use it as a wireless device with Wi-Fi connected, of course. But maybe even with Wi-Fi direct, if I have Wi-Fi direct, um, then it'd be perfect. I'm not gonna buy a camera no more, or a. I'm not gonna buy. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy a camera anymore. I'm using my iPhone as a camera. My iPhone, like, it connects uh, directly to my Mac, and it's pretty good. I thought you couldn't. I thought I couldn't connect my camera in the photo booth, but I can, and my mic's still up. So hey, this looks a lot better. I mean, the camera for sure is pretty darn amazing on the iPhone. So, anyways, but a lot of people were saying they didn't like having the iPhone as a recording device and the Mac because um, they couldn't see whatever you were doing. They would use the iPhone as like record your iPhone and then you put it online. Okay, that's fine. However, if you have a MacBook Pro, which is a laptop, you could just connect it directly to the iPhone, and then like I can see what I'm doing. I can see what I'm doing. So let's say I put my Mac somewhere I can see it. Let's say I'm doing a workshop, or doing something, and I'm working, and I could small screen it, and at the same time I could be doing some other stuff. I like definitely like the new updates that the Mac brought. You couldn't if you had the windows. Let's say you have a Windows open, and you click that window and you drag it to the side, it wouldn't automatically like tile to the left or tile to the right. It wouldn't. It would just you just push it and then nothing would happen. You had to go into settings, or you had to go up here in the little button somewhere. You had to click it to have tile left, tile right. So hey, camera looks pretty good. I know that the picture quality isn't the best, and the only downside I don't like about the Apple MacBook Pro, like, I'm connected directly to the Ethernet, right? And I have optical cable. Like, we have the optical cable running from AT&T inside the house, and I have a Cat 8 or Cat 9 Ethernet cable, so it's extremely fast. Like, it's extremely fast. But the Mac decides to use Wi-Fi. Like, if I have both of them on, it will use the Wi-Fi instead of using the Ethernet, which is much faster. It's a direct connection. Like, there's nothing faster than that. Like, that's extremely fast. Anyways, and then what other thing that sucks too is that I have to have the Wi-Fi on for the iPhone to connect. It's not like with Bluetooth, which would be probably better. I'd say Bluetooth. Like, I don't have to have my Wi-Fi on because it's slow. But I know, because all these connections that I have here, I think this is a 2019 model. Um, they're all USB Type C's. Like, there's no LAN connection. So I guess it was made on purpose to be just wireless. This photo booth is pretty good from the Mac, but I bet you there's other camera, other um, video recording softwares or programs I can use that are much better, more refined, has much more like effects that I could do and use the iPhone much better. But as of now, like, pretty happy with this. And then I have 2 or 3 tripods with the iPhone. So um, yeah, if you do, I would recommend it. you know, get yourself, if you have an iPhone 15 and you have a MacBook Pro, you know, you could definitely do this, and it's fine. Like I said, most of the people were saying that they couldn't see what they were doing, or if they had the Apple Watch, then you could control it on the Apple Watch and do this and that. But if you have the MacBook Pro, and I don't know if I could use a tablet, you know, when I record, and use the tablet to see what I'm looking at, and then the iPhone would be the one that recording. So I would have the iPad, you know, somewhere where I could see it, like, you know, in real time what is looking at me, and then I can have the iPhone looking at me, videotaping. So, but I could see what I'm doing. You know, kind of tired. I got some work to do tomorrow. Gotta pick up some rock and other stuff. Anyways, you have a good night. Y'all have a good night. God bless. See you in the next time. And always give thanks.